Guys, welcome to an episode of Trains In, where we have a Class 150 270 just heading into platform 3 at Meadowhall, or platform 4. We also have Class 170 now departing, 170 459, off to Sheffield only. We're going back to Bridlington within the next hour or so. Or Scarborough. There he is. Let's see who's next, shall we? Because if we watch him down there, it's like Oblivion, it goes on and on and on. Looks like I previously said in my other videos. So, let's see who's next. Also forgot to mention, today we are at Meadowhall. Now approaching from the hill is 150-220 from Leeds to Sheffield. There you go. Let's see who's next, shall we? Yep. Now approaching. There's a class 2, is it 220?
226, 227 and 227.
There he is. Crossroads service to Bristol Temple Meets. There you go.
Newcastle.
Lovely jubbly. Let's see who's next.
I need a book set, I did get.
Now passing to platform number 4. 195. Hang on a minute, sorry. 195024 to Leeds.
From Lincoln.
From Lincoln, there you go.
With the
There goes passing the hill. Let's see who's next.
158,901.
158901 coming into Sheffield from Leeds. There he goes. 158901. 901, sorry. Yep, good morning to you, sunshine.
Get him as soon as possible.
Yep, and we'll get him once he departs. We'll see you in a sec.
In about 2 hours.
Now then, let's see who's next.
Now departing DO 851 Northern Series from Leeds to Sheffield. 158901.
Should be the fuck up. Well, that's a wake up call. I hope that's what you're up now, isn't it?
No, not really.
That was a good one though. Woo! They're gonna be fucking heart attack, that bad boy. Excuse my language, but that one did. Woo! Alright, let's see who's next. Now approaching from the tunnel is 195021 to Nottingham, but obviously Sheffield, because the Nottingham service is cancelled for this time round due to train shortage, crew shortage, I believe. Well, there you go. Let's see who's next. Now entering Meadowhall is 17459 again to Scarborough. There he is. Let's see who's next. Now coming into Meadowhall. 185. Yeah, I got it wrong, I know. 185 to Manchester Piccadilly. 185, number 137 on the front, and it's just him on his own today. There we go. Let's see who's next. Now exiting. Lovely tone, lovely tone. There we go. Second one of the day, shifting me up, just like the first one did. Woo! I'll give him pipping his ass for me like that. But needed to do it to let them know, of course. The train workers in distance. Ah, there he goes. Full speed. Indeed, yeah. Let's see who's next. 150-274 coming into Sheffield. There he is. Let's watch him go out, shall we? Now coming, and now about to leave.
152.4, no other service from Sheffield to Adelaide. No, from Adelaide to Sheffield.
Yep, there he is. Watch his toning. Honk it over, here we go. Lovely. Beautiful, that one. Nice tone there. The guy's working at distance. Just there. Right, let's see who's next. Inbound is 150 220, I believe, heading to Leeds, is it? Yeah. Yep, Leeds. From Sheffield, cutting up Barnsley. Yeah, it's 220. There he goes. Now approaching 158902 again to Adwick from Sheffield. Calling at Swinton, Rotherham, Swinton, Mexborough, Conisbrough, Doncaster, Bentley and Adwick, I believe. There he goes. Let's see who's next. And now approaching, there's a class 185 to Cleethorpes, seen as Desiro. 185, 105. Followed by 185, 110. There he goes. See who's next. Now leaving. There he goes. Let's see who's next. Now approaching is 158901 for Sheffield to Leeds. Here it is. Let's see who's next. He'll be jogging down the line when he does. There we go. 185206. Oh, sorry, 15206, fucking idiot. To Sheffield, I believe that one is. 185, what the bloody hell did I get that from? My apologies, that was 15206, not 18 Oh dear. And now we have a 195 to Leeds from Nottingham. Hello friend, there he is. 185 002. Lovely jubbly. Let's see who's next. Now approaching is a country service to Newcastle from Edinburgh from 221 144 221 122. Yeah, to Edinburgh, yeah. Yep, Edinburgh from Birmingham. Nice. There we go. Now approaching from the hills. 195 003 to Lincoln from Leeds via Sheffield. There it goes. Let's see who's next.